Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
yes, I analyzed the situation in the morning. You guys could remember. In the morning, I analyzed the situation, what really went wrong in United Kingdom. Now, and of course, you know, the story is on social media, and somebody was just telling me about the story a few minutes ago. I said, okay, let's come live and talk about it. This is exactly what happened. Investigation is still going on in United Kingdom. This guy is actually 15 years old, but on his passport it's written 22 years old. Now the guy was taken to United Kingdom for organ harvest. When he gets to the doctor, according to the story that is in the public domain, is that the doctor asked the boy, how old are you? The boy said, I'm 15 years old. But Ekweremadu and the wife says he's 22 years old. So the doctor become confused. Though, according to the story, the kidney of that boy does not match Ekweremadu daughter's kidney. That's the first story. Now, I believed, this is the story, I believe the doctor did not want to harvest the organ of that boy because the guy is 15 years old. I want to make you understand, though, something is really going on right here. So, the doctor says, the doctor told Ekweremadu and the wife that this boy should be returned back to Nigeria because he's a minor. So, upon getting home, where their house, you know, Ekweremadu, they have money, probably they stay in the hotel or they stay in their own apartment where they bought in United Kingdom. This boy was locked up somewhere in one of the rooms. They locked the boy up inside one room. And they told him, why did you tell the doctor that you are 15 years old? Because of you now, they are not going to take your kidney and give to our daughter. Because you tell them you are 15 years old. Don't you know that 15 years old is a minor? So meaning say, all the money where we waste, carry you come in England, you don't fuck up. They lock up that boy for a few days. They lock that boy up for days. So the guy, that little boy finally escaped. When he escaped, the guy was in the streets of United Kingdom, UK, for about 2 or 3 days. Then somebody, I believe somebody told him to go and report at the police station. This is exactly what happened. This is exactly what happened. According to the story, he did social media. So I want you guys to understand. And this is exactly almost what I analyzed in the morning, that it's either the guy went to the police by himself. That guy is an innocent. At 15, you are a minor. At 15, for sure. At 15, they don't believe you know what you're doing. And also, Ekweremadu was almost arrested for money laundering at the airport initially when they were coming to United Kingdom. So he was caught with $20,000. So I think that issue was settled at the airport at that moment. This is where the little I mean, this is just the story, but now the investigation is going on to find out if the family of that boy was giving money. You know, they just want to do a lot of investigation if money was involved, if Ekweremadu bought the child. You know, Nigeria now, nothing where they don't go fit do. Whether the guy, whether the boy even get family at all. They want to know if the guy actually have a family. You know, everything, all this investigation is going on. But it is wrong. Make we tell ourselves the truth. It is wrong to use the advantage of, I mean, they're using the advantage because we are poor. They are rich. It's just easy to go and buy a human being from their poor family and say, oh, we are taking him to London. For whatsoever, only God knows. Who is saying? I didn't say I know him. Who says so? The picture is on domain. The picture there inside social media. Go and exploit Facebook. You are going to see the picture of the Ekweremadu daughter and the picture of the young boy. He's 15 years. It's on social media now. Anybody who knows him, I mean, people who knows him by now will have seen the picture and recognize the young man. You understand? Mainly looking at the boy is a minor. For me, the picture I saw, the boy, It's not up to 22 years old. Okay, you see, the patience, Olisa, you said, I learned the boy is an orphan. I told you guys in the morning. I said, probably this boy is an orphan. Because it's easy for them to go to an orphanage and buy children. They don't care. How can you take a 15-year-old boy to go and harvest the organ and give to your own daughter? Even if the boy is an orphan, say the boy no get life to live. Ah, Omo, make I tell you now, we the suffer, we will be poor man, we the suffer. I tell you. It's easy to just go to an orphanage and get someone. Somebody says he's from Ebonyi State. Somebody said the boy is from Ebonyi State. I will not doubt you. I no go doubt anything when I talk here. I no go doubt. Yeah, the picture is everywhere on Facebook. I'm just seeing the picture for the first time this evening. Before I come live, I saw the picture of the guy. The guy, he be like say they bleach. The young boy, he be like say they bleach. He said the guy name is Davido. One minute. Yeah, the picture is on social media. I'm seeing the picture for the first time this evening. Seriously. Sugar Adebayo. Abi Adebayo. Omo, now wow. I no go tell you a lie. Ekweremadu, now what for now? Now our own pikin supposed they alive, but that boy, that young man will not carry go. You know, supposed they alive. Now only God just save him. Say he tell the doctor say he be 15 years old. Let us all be honest to ourselves. What happened actually is because the guy mistakenly told the doctor that he's 15 years old. Then the doctor refused to do the operation. The doctor requests that Ekweremadu and the wife should return the boy to Nigeria because he's a minor. Now they took the boy down to their apartment and locked him up and begin to punish him. So why did you tell the doctor you are 15? Why should you tell the doctor you are 15? They check his passport? No. What happened is this. The boy told them he's 15. Why on his passport is 22? They locked the guy up into one of the rooms in their apartment. After some days, the guy have to escape to the streets of UK. Sleeping on the street for like 2 days. He has to go, I believe maybe he found somebody, he told somebody the story and they said, you know what, let's go to the police station. When they got to the police station, first thing first, the police took the boy down to their apartment and got his passport. On his passport, he's 22 years old, while the boy is 15 years old. That's the story. Got me? Omo, poor people, they suffer. Like a, so now so the story be. Today na Friday now. Abi, make I carry una waka around. Make I carry una waka around. Yes, they say the guy is 15. Looking at that boy, I think the boy is 15. I saw the picture. That guy is not less than 15 years old. That boy no go fit be 22 years old. It's a pity, but investigation is still going on. Ekweremadu is locked up. The wife is locked up at the moment. You see, this is the problem. If Ekweremadu has built a standard hospital in Enugu State, this what will happen now for no happen. Am I right? But they are not building a standard hospital, but because they have money to take their children and their self abroad for medical tourism. Una see am? Okay, somebody said they post his passport on Facebook. He was born in 2000. Wow. Are you for real? I will exploit Facebook later this evening.
So my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.